Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something super exciting to present to you for this festive season, and that is our special cherry clafoutis. Trust me, it's packed with flavor, easy to make, and a perfect dessert for any special occasions, weekend parties, or even impressing your guest during this festive season. This is one of my favorite baked recipes, and I love to try it whenever I get cherries at hand. Alright, let's get started. As the recipe demands, here I'm taking some fresh cherries. This is gonna be a little messy prep, so grab your aprons and get comfortable. And our first step is to clean and pit the cherries. So this is a simple way I'm doing it, but you can also use a cherry pit. Now, clafoutis is a traditional French dessert that's perfect for any occasions. It is usually made with black cherries in a pancake-like batter and baked until golden. While traditionally unpicked cherries are the classic choice, you can also try it with any berries, apples, or even pears. So as of now, here I have all the cherries picked and ready to use. So our next step is to grease and prep the baking tray. For that, grease the tray with melted butter, and here I also like to add some brown sugar crystals. Just randomly spread them. That's it. Keep this tray aside and let's proceed with a simple batter for making this clafoutis. Now for that, into a bowl, I'm cracking in 2 large eggs. To this, let's add brown sugar, and simply whisk in. Keep whisking till the sugar melts and we get a creamy consistency. Now to this, I'm going to add some melted butter. Add almond extract and some salt for taste. Next, I'm adding flour with the required measurements. And as per the classic recipe, we also would be adding some almond flour. Then simply mix in and fold the batter gently. Now if you wish, you can add some leavening agents like baking powder, but that is optional. Though in the classic recipe, there are no use of leavening agents. Once at this stage the batter is smooth, then we are going to add milk. This helps to give the correct consistency for the clafoutis batter, because this batter is naturally light and custardy in texture. Adjust the milk according to the consistency and then incorporate them well. This is how you need to achieve the consistency for a perfect clafoutis. That's it, and the batter is done. And it's ready to be transferred to the baking tray. Our previously prepped baking tray is ready. So first, I am going to load in with the cherries. Randomly place them on the baking tray. And now it's time for our batter to go into the baking tray. Pour in the batter gently. And see now, this batter has a good consistency. This batter is naturally light and custardy in texture. and basically it relies on the use of egg and milk for the structure, and that's why it rises while baking and slightly sinks down on cooling. Spread the cherries evenly in the batter so they look nice on baking. Now this is ready to go into the oven, which is preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes or till the sides are brown and cooked well so that a toothpick or a knife inserted at the center would come out dry. For me, it took about 20 minutes to finish with the baking, and this is how it has come out. Our cherry clafoutis is baked well. You can see the sides have become crisp and brown and left the tray. So that's perfectly done. And if you like, you can also decorate it. Let's keep it to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Though while baking, the clafoutis will puff up, but as it cools, this will slightly sink. And that's normal because we have not used any leavening agents for this recipe. The detailed recipe with the measurements are available in our website, and there's a link for you in the description below. Do check out the website and save the recipe so that you can use it during any special occasions or when you are in a mood to bake something special. So after cooling for about 15 to 20 minutes, this is how the cherry clafoutis has turned in. Let's cut it and serve it in our style. Though a dessert, it can be served any time of the day and enjoyed. Actually, it's not like a cake, it's more like a flan, and you can serve it with powdered sugar dusted on top, or if you wish, you can also top it with whipped cream for an extra indulgence. Look, you can make this recipe and store it for a few days, say, and serve it as a good dessert, or even gift for your loved ones during any occasions or festives. Make this famous dessert of cherry clafoutis and enjoy with your loved ones. Apart from that, don't forget to share with us how you like it. So that's it from my side for this festive season, and wishing you all good times ahead. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you soon in our next video.